Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cultured vegetables using an easy method. This process is surprisingly simple and yields delicious, gut-friendly food. You'll learn how to select your ingredients, prepare them for fermentation, and store your finished product. Get ready to add a fantastic, healthy staple to your diet with minimal effort. It's a rewarding culinary adventure that anyone can master right in their own kitchen. To begin, gather your essential supplies. You'll need about 2 pounds of your favorite vegetables, such as cabbage, carrots, or beets. A 1-quart glass jar works perfectly for this amount. Ensure you have non-chlorinated water and a high-quality, non-iodized salt. Optional but helpful items include a fermentation weight to keep vegetables submerged and an airlock lid to release gases while keeping air out. Now, let's get to the simple process. First, finely chop or shred your vegetables. Next, place them in a large bowl, add 1 tablespoon of salt, and massage them vigorously for about 5 to 10 minutes until they release their own liquid. Then, pack the salted vegetables very tightly into your clean glass jar, pressing down firmly to remove air pockets. Make sure the vegetables are completely submerged under the brine that has formed. Once packed, cover your jar loosely or use an airlock. Allow your vegetables to ferment at room temperature, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for 3 to 7 days. Begin tasting after 3 days. When they reach your preferred level of tanginess, move the jar to the refrigerator. Your delicious, homemade cultured vegetables are now ready to enjoy as a vibrant, probiotic addition to any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.